Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and rocking with the girl Des. Today we are getting to this bomb unit. This unit was made from scratch. I constructed this unit using Empire Bundles, which is a new line from Sensationnel. As you guys can see, the unit is gorgeous. She has minimal shedding. The hair is amazing, and I want you guys to see how the wig came out. I did not record how I constructed the unit, but I am showing you guys how it looks after it's finished, and I'm showing you guys how I apply this unit to get it to look like scalp. If you guys are interested, please stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be sharing more details about this hair throughout the video. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's get into this packaging. So this is how everything came. I had a 22, 24, and a 26 inch and a 13 by 4 HD frontal. This wig is 100% virgin human hair, and then you also can get this hair in 10 inches all the way up to 28 inches. You can also get different textures such as straight, body wave, deep, and also loose wave. This is the unit after I constructed it, and then this is the unit after I had plucked everything. And when I tell you I did very minimal plucking, I think this is the least plucking I've ever done on a wig. And so this is how it looks. I added makeup to the HD frontal already, and then I had added an elastic band to make sure that this unit will be fitting very snug, and it did. I'm very proud of myself because I have not made a wig in like a year, and this wig was very perfectly constructed. And I just thought the unit was just beautiful. So the color on the packaging says 1B, but it looks like a 2, I would say. But it's not a bad thing. I think it's very beautiful, and I think it just shows to the quality of the hair that it has not been tampered with, and it's very natural. So this is the frontal up close and personal. I did bleach the knots, and I used 1 part bleach, 1 part 40 developer, and I let it sit for 20 minutes. Alright, so here I'm showing you guys how the hair looks from the ends, and also like a 360 view. A lot of wigs, like, they are very full at the top and then they get very dense at the bottom, and I felt like this unit was full all the way through and it did not have any scraggly ends, and I felt like this hair was so natural, like it was just really pretty. And that was one of the reasons why I decided not to straighten this hair, and I decided to keep it in this natural texture, because I wanted to really show you guys the durability of this unit, and also how convenient it would be if you constructed a unit and didn't have to do anything to it. So that was my goal and my purpose. So I hope that you guys know that you can use these bundles, and you can use them in their natural state, and you don't have to do extra to make it look beautiful. For the remainder of this video, I really want you guys to key into this install and how simple it was for me to get it to melt. I'm also going to be showing you guys, just like, you know, through like my visual presentation of my technique of gluing the lace down, and how I get the lace to look like scalp. And then if you guys also stick around, you will see me planning the hair. You will see how beautiful it looks and how I ended up styling it. I did do like a no baby hairs, because I felt like this wig and this hair deserves so much justice. I didn't want to distract it with baby hairs. And like I stated before, I want to show you guys easy, durable, convenience, and maintainable units, and this hair is definitely meeting all of those marks. It's going to be very low maintenance, and it's going to be very low maintenance but high quality, and I think that's why this unit is just one of my favorites. And this hair is literally, it's everything. I really do like it. I do want to do a follow-up with you guys, because I just installed this unit and I've had it in for a few days and I have not had any tangles or shedding, but I definitely want to do a follow-up with you guys to show you guys how durable this hair is over time. And I believe this hair is going to last for a long time because of the way that it feels, and I've had a lot of hair and this definitely feels like quality hair. If you're interested in these bundles, please don't forget to visit my description box. I will have everything down there for you guys. Also head over to my Instagram. I will be taking pictures and showcasing this hair and other lighting. So yes guys, follow me, all things Des, on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, also here on YouTube, and I love sharing this content with you guys, so please enjoy. So if you're not a frontal girl, they do have a 4x4 HD lace closure, as well as this 13x4 HD lace frontal, as you guys see me here in the video. They do have different lengths, so they have 10 inches all the way up to 18 inches for you guys to choose from. And then they also have different colors. So here you see me rocking the natural color, and they also have special colors like the 613 and the dark red. And lastly, if I have not told you guys enough, this hair is 100% virgin human hair, which means you can bleach it, dye it, perm it, put heat on it. You can do whatever you want to this hair and it will last you. If you guys are interested, please visit my description box and keep continuing to watch this video because she is slayed, and you guys, I really love the final results.